Have you ever wondered what separates good online security from great online security? It's more than just a strong password, especially when it comes to safeguarding your valuable crypto assets on platforms like Gemini. In today's digital landscape, where phishing attacks and credential theft are rampant, relying solely on a password is like leaving your front door unlocked in a bustling city. You need layers, robust defenses, and a proactive approach to protecting what's yours. That's precisely what we're diving into today: the power of two-factor authentication, or 2FA, and the unparalleled security offered by hardware keys on your Gemini account. Think of it this way: your password is the first lock on your digital vault. 2FA is the second, requiring something you have in addition to something you know. And a hardware key? That's like a specialized, physical key that only you possess, making your vault virtually impenetrable. We're going to walk through how to set up both, ensuring your Gemini holdings are shielded with the best available protection. We'll start with the foundational layer, setting up 2FA using an authenticator app. This is a crucial step that every Gemini user should take immediately. Then, for those looking for the absolute pinnacle of security, we'll move on to integrating a hardware security key. This is where you truly elevate your digital defenses, making it incredibly difficult for even sophisticated attackers to gain unauthorized access. So, let's get started, because in the world of cryptocurrency, security isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity. Understanding two-factor authentication, 2FA. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly clarify what 2FA actually is. At its core, 2FA adds a second layer of verification to your login process. Instead of just entering your username and password, you'll also need to provide a temporary code generated by an authenticator app, or approve a push notification, or in the case of hardware keys, physically interact with your device. Why is this so important for Gemini? Cryptocurrency exchanges are prime targets for cybercriminals. If a hacker manages to steal your password, without 2FA, they could gain full access to your account and your funds. With 2FA enabled, even with your password, they would still need that second factor to get in. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, protecting your investments from phishing scams, malware, and other common attack vectors. Gemini offers several 2FA options, including authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Authy, and hardware security keys. While SMS-based 2FA might seem convenient, it's generally considered less secure due to the risk of SIM swapping attacks. For that reason, we'll be focusing on authenticator apps and hardware keys, which offer a much stronger defense. Setting up 2FA with an authenticator app on Gemini. Alright, let's dive into the practical steps for setting up 2FA with an authenticator app. For this demonstration, we'll assume you already have an authenticator app installed on your smartphone, such as Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. If you don't, pause right here, go to your App Store, and download one. They are free and readily available. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Gemini.com. Log into your account using your existing email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your Gemini dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Look for your profile icon or settings option, usually in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and then find and select Security or Security Settings. This is where you manage all your account's security features. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication, 2FA, options. Within the security section, you should see an area dedicated to two-factor authentication or 2FA. Gemini often provides a clear overview of the different 2FA methods they support. You'll likely see options like Authenticator app, hardware keys, and possibly text message, SMS. Step 4. Enable Authenticator app 2FA. Find the Authenticator app option and click on Enable or Set Up. Gemini will then present you with a QR code and a secret key, sometimes called a setup key or manual entry code. This QR code is essentially a visual representation of your secret key. Step 5. Scan the QR code with your Authenticator app. Now, pick up your smartphone and open your Authenticator app. Within the app, you'll typically find a plus symbol, plus, or an Add Account option. Select Scan a QR code. Your phone's camera will activate. Point your camera at the QR code displayed on your Gemini screen. The Authenticator app will instantly recognize the QR code and add a new entry for Gemini. You'll see a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 to 60 seconds. This is your time-based one-time password, or TOTP. Alternative, manual entry, if QR code scanning isn't possible. If for any reason you can't scan the QR code, maybe your phone camera isn't working, or you're setting it up on a different device, you can use the manual entry or enter a setup key option in your Authenticator app. Copy the secret key provided by Gemini, the long string of letters and numbers, and paste it into the Authenticator app when prompted. Give the account a name, like Gemini or Gemini Main, so you can easily identify it later. Step 6. Enter the Authenticator code on Gemini. Once your Authenticator app is generating codes for Gemini, go back to your computer screen where Gemini is asking for the 2FA code. Enter the current 6-digit code displayed in your Authenticator app into the designated field on the Gemini website. Make sure to enter it quickly before it expires and refreshes. Step 7. Confirm and save backup codes. After successfully entering the code, Gemini will confirm that 2FA has been enabled. This is a critical step that many people overlook. Gemini will often provide you with a set of backup codes. These codes are single-use and are your lifeline if you ever lose access to your Authenticator app, e.g., your phone breaks or is stolen. Immediately download these backup codes or write them down and store them in a secure, offline location. Do not store them on your computer or in a cloud service that could be compromised. Print them out and keep them in a fireproof safe, a locked drawer, or a secure physical location separate from your devices. Losing these codes and your Authenticator app could lead to you being locked out of your Gemini account. Step 8. Test your 2FA, optional but recommended. To ensure everything is working correctly, log out of your Gemini account. Then, attempt to log back in. After entering your password, Gemini should prompt you for your 2FA code. Open your Authenticator app, get the current code, enter it, and you should successfully log in. This quick test confirms your setup is complete and functioning as intended. Congratulations! You've just significantly boosted the security of your Gemini account by enabling Authenticator app 2FA. This is a fundamental step, but we're not stopping there. For the ultimate defense, let's talk about hardware keys. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.